We made some custom shotgun rounds where we just put random crap down, random crap, and fire it and see what happens. 12 gauge shotgun shell, 50 AE, Desert Eagle right there. Boop. I'm pretty sure it went all the way back, hit that thing, fired straight back at us. 410 in a 12. There are live 22 long rifle cartridges inside this thing. 6 of them. 22, and there's 6 of them. There's 132 caliber. Huh, yeah, there's pieces of brass all through there. Oh look, here you go. These things were firing, dude. Whoa, guys.
Oh man, it fits.
It fits.
Shooting a 308 out of a shotgun.